Hi, everybody. How are you? I am so excited to be coming to you today live. I thought I'd hop on Facebook Live for once. Normally, I am on YouTube Live, but I thought I'd just quick hop on Facebook today because I have something so amazing to share with you. I can't even stand it. But first, Stampin' Lips. Okay. So last night it was Stampin' Up's on stage event, and we had recognition for our accomplishments this past year, and part of that recognition was that $1 Million Achievers were able to present their stamp sets, and so I finally can tell you all about my stamp set. I'm so excited. It is something that has been in the works for almost 2 years. It takes such a long time for the whole process to unfold, but it has been so much fun and I absolutely love it. And I'm very excited that I can finally share it with you guys. So it really was so much fun to be able to present my my stamp set presentation last night. I have to say I was so nervous. I shoot videos all the time. I'm live right now all the time. I do this all the time. I was so nervous for last night. It was really kind of crazy. So I thought you might maybe possibly be interested in seeing what I created. And I have a whole bunch of cards to share, and I'm just so excited. So this is my stamp set, and of course I'll flip my camera around and it will all be easy to see. And what's so awesome is that it comes with dies to match. Seriously. So I am so excited about that. And of course, one of the best parts is the fact that the word happy is in it. And while I can't show this to you yet in the catalog, of course, I was going to say display stampers. That's not what they're called, though. The design team, the concept art team, created a card for me that had Coastal Cabana in it. So, of course, I'm happy about that. So anyway, it was really super exciting. So, all right. So, should we flip the camera and I'll show you a little more? Maybe? By the way, were you there last night? I know a whole bunch of you guys are demonstrators and you were able to watch. It was a lot of fun. I was also recognized along with some of my friends for my accomplishments, and a huge shout out to my team, because of course very little of this would be possible without them. So I'm so honored that I have such an unbelievable team that I get to work with and that I get to inspire and just mentor and everything. Oh, I love my team. So, all right, I'll flip the camera. Okay, hold on. Close your eyes for just a second. Okay, so here it is. Now, I love absolutely everything about this except the name. I did not name it. I wanted Happy Blooms, but there's actually a few different stamp sets coming that have the name Bloom in them. And I really wanted the word happy in it because that's really what the stamp set is all about, is happy. But this is what I got. You can't have everything. So I'm going to just let that go. I was really sad about that though. Oh, anyway. So this is my stamp set. I absolutely love it. I wanted a stamp set that had a watercolor look because, if you've known me for very long, you probably know one of my favorite techniques is watercoloring. So I really like it. I love this these watercolory images so much. And of course, happy was the centerpiece around this stamp set. So I love, love, love that it says happy. And then of course, happy mail, happy for you, happy birthday, you make me happy, sending lots of happy. I just love the words that interchange. It's just so awesome. No, there's not a die for happy. I was kind of hoping there would be, but as you can see, there are so many pieces, they couldn't put that in there. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So I'll just leave that there. Okay. So the dies, there's, I think there's 23 pieces or 32 pieces, 23 pieces. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of dies, and they coordinate with the stamp set, but then they do, like, here's a little centerpiece. This is a kind of a fun layering pieces to go with the different, shapes, and then this gorgeous leafy design. So I really, really like that. So it's going to be so much fun, right? Okay. I think so. Did you want to see a couple cards with it? Like, were you interested in that? So here's my first card. I love this. This is Misty Moonlight, so just a monochromatic card, really simple. But I have to tell you, so first of all, when I started stamping with this stamp set, I could not stop. Like, I just kept making more and more and more cards, and I have quite a little stack here. But I started die cutting some of those pieces in vellum, and I loved the way they looked. They're just so pretty. So I really enjoyed that. And then, of course, these little enamel dots are just so awesome with this. So I really like how that turned out. And then here's another really fun card. Oh my gosh. And by the way, in case you were wondering, there is absolutely going to be probably more than one class featuring my bundle. And there will also be an option in January where I will sign your stamp set. You have to get it through me if you're going to sign it, or if it's going to be signed, but it will be pretty awesome. So watch for that. And I might just have a little something happening in December. So watch for that too. So it's all good. Okay. So there's that. Then I've got this really fun and super simple card. Oh, I just love it. I hope this makes you guys happy. It makes me so happy. I just love the bright, happy colors. I mean, I could barely get past the brights. I know there's like 3 other color families plus in colors, but I was mostly focused on the brights when I was making my cards. Let's see. Here's a little bit more subtle card. This one is So Saffron with Early Espresso on crumb cake. And just really simple. So awesome. Then this is another really simple one. On this one, I used blending brushes to blend the edges of this. So cute. And I really am real excited to tell you that Stampin' Up! Has blending brushes coming. Okay, so that's good news. I think it was made for brights. You are right. Absolutely. Okay, so then, here's another monochromatic card. So on here, I just kind of, this might have smooshed over, to be honest. We're just going to pull that back into place. This is again, Misty Moonlight. I really love Misty Moonlight. It's actually, it's one of my favorite colors. And then this next one is my second favorite card. Isn't that fun? This is Magenta and, Magenta Madness and Melon Mambo together with black and a pop of Granny Apple Green. So it's just so fun. Oh my goodness. Like, seriously, you guys. Isn't this just the best? Oh. Okay. Here's another really happy one. See, I mean, look, all brights.
except for the misty moonlight, pretty much. So many bright, happy colors. Here's another cute one. I just love them. Love, 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 love them. So, and it looks like you guys might like them too. Maybe. Okay, here's my crowning achievement with my stamp set thus far. I mean, there will be more achievements, I'm sure. But this one's my favorite. This card is so pretty. I really, 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 really like this one. So this is for sure my favorite card, and this will for sure be in a class. I just can't not have it in a class. But I do love, 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 love this one. And of course, Coastal Cabana. So it was so fun to make these. Oh, I've got one more thing to show you. Hold on, let me go grab it. It's a decor piece. Okay, so this is a framed piece, and it's pretty big. I want to say it's like, I bet it's 14 inches square. And so it's a letter D, and I got this at Hobby Lobby for $4. And it's like, this is kind of wood. It's wood. And then this D is, I don't know, painted on or whatever. But I decorated it with my colors, my happy, happy colors. And so this is Coastal Cabana, Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, and then of course Granny Apple Green. And then these are those gorgeous elegant gems. So yeah, I love it. So this of course is going to go super nice in my office. So I love that. You know I do. So this seriously took me like 10-15 minutes, and that was mostly the die cutting. So it was really easy to create. And then I have a bunch of leftover pieces from making this, so I will of course need to make some more cards with it, obviously. So yeah. So it was just so fun to be able to finally share this with you, because I've been waiting for so long. So I'll pull my cards out once again, and I'm not going to stamp today because I actually have a lot of work to do, because on Sunday I'm leaving for Wyoming with my bestie Kelly to see my other bestie Barb, and I can't wait. They haven't even asked me if I'm bringing my stamp set. I wonder if they want me to. So this is my favorite card. I just love this. And I just love the bright, happy colors together. They are so fun. And I hope that you guys are going to like this set. I think I've been getting some good feedback from people that they seem to like it. So that's nice. By the way, it's so fun to see all the hearts. So, and I'll put this on YouTube. So if you're watching from YouTube, give me a thumbs up. That is always so appreciated. And of course, if you like this and want to see more, I am live every Monday at 4 p.m. Central Time. And I'm live on YouTube, but I always post the link to the YouTube here on my Facebook page. So I would love to have you join me each week. We always have fun, and you never know what's going to happen. So, and I've got some fun stuff planned for the week while I'm gone. So definitely make sure you check back on my page here, because I'll be sharing and I'll be posting these pictures for you to see. So I'm just so tickled to have all of these adorable cards, and I will post these on my blog as well for you. Oh, I love this one so much. This is a really fun color combo too. So, and isn't the vellum just so pretty? It's just such a nice little touch. Just love it. This is one of my favorite cards too. It's so simple. Simple, simple. Oh, so awesome. And then finally this one. Oh, I just love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Here, I'm going to flip my camera back around. It just fell out. Oh my gosh. I don't usually flip it back like that. Sorry. That was a little more than you probably needed. Anyway, I hope that you loved seeing my stamp set. I'm so in love with it and so excited. If you are a demonstrator, it should be on the pre-order that will start in December. And if you are not a demonstrator, you should join my team and then you can pre-order it too. It also will be available to customers starting in January, and then you will see more than one class from me with this set because I'm just so tickled and excited about it. And you probably will be tired of it, I'm sure, at some point because I will be showing it a lot. So anyway, thank you guys so much for stamping with me today. I know we didn't actually stamp, but I just say that. I hope you loved seeing this and it brought you a little happiness to your day. And I will see you soon, okay, guys? Bye.